It is so fresh and delicious, and this is the secret of umami taste. Hi, I'm Ken. Today we are cooking garlic lobster. Lobster is one of my favorite seafood. The simpler way we cook, the better taste we get. But first, let's wash the lobster thoroughly. I'm using a new toothbrush to brush it so the lobsters are nice and clean. Then use scissors to cut along the back of lobster and all the way to the end of tail. Make a small cross cut here so we can take the meat out of the shell. Please be careful and don't let the shell cut your fingers. Finally, a beautiful lobster is processed. You may be curious why some lobsters have a pink color. This is because some female lobsters are in their breeding season. During that time, their meat appears a beautiful light pink. So it's not a quality issue, you can eat it with confidence. Now we need a whole garlic to make a garlic sauce. Peel off the skin, mince the garlic, and put it in a small bowl. Heat some canola oil in a small saucepan until it smokes. Then pour it over the garlic immediately. High temperature oil is very important. It helps to fully release the fragrance. Don't forget to add a bit of sesame oil. A perfect garlic sauce is done. For this dish, we also need a chunk of vermicelli. Soak the vermicelli in room temperature water for 30 minutes so it becomes soft and smooth. Since it's too long, we use scissors to make it shorter. Also, let the vermicelli stay evenly on the plate. Then put the lobsters on top of it. And spread the garlic sauce over the lobster. Now we need to boil a pot of water. The best way to have the fresh taste is steaming. So we steam the lobster for 8 minutes on high heat. The lobster will turn into an enticing red color, and the vermicelli will absorb the juice from it. Time's up. Sprinkle some green onions and pour some hot oil. Then drizzle some soy sauce. The lobster is super juicy and tender. You can feel that special sweet and umami taste. Even vermicelli is full of lobster flavor. It is absolutely a gift from the ocean. You'll love it if you try it. I'm Ken. See you next time.